Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to check and verify whether your Windows Secure Boot is up to date. As you might know, the current certificate is set to expire in 2026, and Microsoft has released an update to extend the certificate until 2053. First, let's check if Secure Boot is enabled on your machine. Open Run, type the command to check Secure Boot, and you'll see the Secure Boot state. In my case it shows off, but Secure Boot is actually supported on my machine as listed. Now let's check if my machine has the up-to-date Windows Secure Boot key installed. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type this command, and press Enter. If the response is true, which it is in my case, that means you already have the updated Windows Secure Boot installed. If yours shows false, that means you need to update it, and I'll show you how to do that. Go to Windows Update and first click Check for Updates. Make sure Get the latest updates as soon as they're available is turned on. Then go to Update History, and as you can see, mine was installed today. Next, make a note of the Windows version you're running, in my case it's Windows 25H2. Now you'll need update KB5079 for 7.3. Copy that number. As you can see, this update installs the updated version of the Secure Boot certificate. Go to the Windows Update Catalog page, search for KB5079 for 7.3, and download it. After installing it, check again in PowerShell. If you don't want to install it manually, you can simply keep checking Windows Update and then verify it again in PowerShell. And that's it. That's how you update the Windows Secure Boot certificate. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.